What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the perfect AI image prompt for Leonardo AI. So right here guys, with leonardo.ai you are able to unleash your creativity right here. You can create production quality visual assets for your project with unprecedented quality, speed and style consistency right here. So guys, simply just launch this app or create an account, and there is no credit card required, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So once you're right here guys, go on to the image generation right here, whereby you are able to generate ads and lots more. And guys, as you can see, I've been able to create amazing images right here using this AI tool called leonardo.ai. So right here guys, how do you actually create prompts using leonardo.ai? So right here guys, go on to the prompt generation, and once you write here, you're going to see this option here that says enter a basic prompt idea. Now this tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas for your simple prompt. So right here guys, I'm just going to enter a basic prompt idea. Probably I'm going to make use of this, a young girl, and let's make use of this, and umbrella right here. So let's simply make use of this and go on to ideate right here, and this is going to generate 4 different prompts right here, because right here I selected 4 numbers of prompts to generate. So go on to generate right there, and this should generate. You go on to the prompt generation, you tap on the next, and this should be generating this. You go right here, I'm just going to tap on this right here, and let's make use of this tree generation. So guys, as you can see, this is the first generation, which is talking about a young girl with a bright red umbrella standing in the field of sunflowers. So these are the 2 images right here that has been generated. Now if you go on to the next one, as you can see, a diverse group of young girls, each holding a unique umbrellas right there. So guys, this is it for the second image. And right here guys, let's look at this, a young girl with sitting on a swing, an umbrella pop up next to her. So this is it right here. So guys, in order for you to be able to create a perfect AI image prompt for Leonardo AI, is to go onto the prompt generation. You simply just enter the prompt right here that you want to generate, and go on to ideate, and the Leonardo AI is going to create a perfect prompt right here that you usually just need to generate right there, and you are able to generate awesome images that looks exactly like this right here. So this is how you are able to create a perfect AI image prompt for Leonardo AI.